How to turn your photo into an action figure with AI, viral TikTok and Instagram trend, with Gemini. 1. Open Gemini. If you don't have it, you can install it as in the video. 2. Open Gemini and follow the steps in the video. 3. Activate the image button and upload the photo you want. 4. Fill in the description as in the video. You can get the prompt in the comments column that I pinned. 5. After that, you send it and wait until the process is complete. Six. If it is correct, you can save the results. Subscribe and like if you find it helpful.